I am Dr. Shivashankar. I am on the faculty of the Center for Nanoscience and Engineering of the Indian Institute of Science in Bengaluru. And I am very pleased to tell you that our center is the home of a technology business incubator in nanotechnology funded by the Karnataka government. So this technology business incubator is meant to establish startup companies in the domain of nanotechnology. I am very pleased to tell you that the very first incubatee, the first company that has been established through this TBI, Technology Business Incubator, is Nutan Labs, established by Mr. Nutan Ajjampur, and it concerns a technology that he has developed to utilize nanomaterials and a formulation to clean urban air. Now, I think all of you are aware that there is a lot of dust and pollution and smoke and all that, various problems with urban air, and it is in urgent need of being cleaned up because actually it causes a lot of respiratory illnesses and so on. And in particular in the context of COVID-19, it is even more important that we have ways in which to clean our urban air. So what Mr. Ajjampur has done is to develop a purifier for urban air in establishments outside, not indoors but outdoors, so that there is a way to clean up air that people breathe in large areas like malls and open air arenas and so on. So we hope that this technology will flower and will become an important way in which people begin to use nanotechnology to create a better environment, better living environment in urban areas. We are hopeful that this company will actually go ahead and develop the technology further, begin to deploy their technology in various parts of this country to make urban air more breathable.
Namaste, I am Nutan, CEO of Nutan Labs, which is one of the unique startup which is incubated at TBI Science, Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru. We are the Elevate Call to award winners from Government of Karnataka, and we are working on a unique problem solving issue, that is one of the burgeoning and one of the most dangerous problem which most of the cities in the entire world are facing today, that is air pollution. Yes, what we are doing is we have found out a solution for treating the outdoor air in the urban cities. In the most polluted atmospheric conditions, what we do is we will deploy our instruments, and these instruments in turn will clean the surrounding air by the use of nanotechnology as well as unique motorized suction methods. We have started this company recently. This is one of the startup. This particular idea was seeded in my mind when I was studying for my UPSCs, when I was preparing for my civil services in New Delhi during 2012. I faced lot of respiratory issues, so that time I decided to work on finding out the solution for the urban air pollution issues. We took around 4 years. Out of that, 2 years we spent on the R&D, and 2 years took it for making the POC, proof of the concept. From that time we started and now ended up with one of the unique solution based on nanotechnology, and that solution was developed with the collaboration of different departments at IISc. Now we are also part of IISc and we are incubated at TBI Science IISc, and we have got a satisfactory results, and we have observed almost 900% reduction in the outdoor pollutants. Now we are looking at deployment of this instrument, installing our smog tower at Delhi, and NPL is already interested to assist us and guide us and to conduct the validation studies for our instrument. We are working with the central government to take the instrument to Delhi, deploy there and conduct the validation studies further along with the NPL collaboration.
this is an instrument for air purification using nanotechnology. So as previously our team members have told, this will be taking care of the Delhi air pollution as well as other air pollution in other cities. So this device has 10 stages of purification. So we have nanotechnology based stages, 2 to 3 stages are using nanomaterials. Like one of the stages is having a membrane. So this membrane is having a coating of nanomaterials, and due to this coating of nanomaterials, the noxious particulate matter like 2.5, PM5 and PM1, PM0.5 also has been taken care. Because not only because of the nano sized membrane, but also because of the coating, nanomaterial coating, which imparts a way to filter these particulate matter. As well as we have developed a new material. This is for the first time in the entire world that we have a liquid nanomaterial. So nanoparticles has been dispersed in the liquid, and this takes care of the gases like not only PM particulate matter, but also gases like nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide. All these gases are also having a problem in most of the cities. So these gases can be taken care, absorbed by these nanomaterials in liquid form, and we have found out through our studies using electron microscopy as well as using other characterization facilities from Indian Institute of Science. We have found out that this is excellent absorbing these materials. So this is a perfect example of how technology, nanotechnology can be useful for taking care of air pollution. So also we have used extra additional coatings of carbon based nanocarbon materials at the end of this, so which will take care of the smell issue or any other which is being not absorbed by the nanomaterials. These nanocarbon will be taken care. So I am happy to be associated with this team. I also got my knowledge and training from Indian Institute of Science. Previously I was a postdoc from IISc, Bangalore.
One of our team member has explained you about the technological part of the instrument. Now I would like to talk about the economical part of the product. Whatever the smoke towers which have been built across the world, like so many other country people are developing the smoke towers, they are all very expensive, and expensive in for the product as well as for the maintenance also they are very expensive. Ours is a nanotechnology, unique nanotechnology based, novel nanotechnology based product which will be highly economical, and whatever the filters we are using can be used for more than 1000 times. We have made a unique nano fluid as a filter, so that also can be used for many times than whatever the other filters which are available currently in the market. Regarding the cost, if we compare with the foreign, they are very expensive. Like our cost is almost 100 times or 50 times less than whatever the existing costs which are which the other country people are making. The most of the metropolitans where the people are suffering from too many other diseases due to air pollution can be curbed, and then by deploying these instruments, and moreover this is a made in Bharat, it's a make in India product. We require the support from the Government of India for deployment of these smart towers in the various urban cities or metropolitans in India. Now we have already been supported by the Government of India, like indirectly, like Indian Institute of Science has been supported us. Government of Karnataka has been funded us for bringing out this project, innovative project. I would request the Government of India people to support us in implementation of these kind of innovative products in curbing the air pollution.